Hello everyone. Today I'll go over my account portfolio and planned trades going forward for next week, and then briefly talk about some Tesla news on the S&P inclusion. Okay, so let's first talk about the news. So Tesla will be replacing the apartment investment and management stock in the S&P 500 now, and they will be doing a spin-off called Apartment Income REIT, which will then be part of the S&P 400 mid-cap index, and that will be replacing the Dunkin' brand donuts, which will be acquired by the Arby's owner Inspire Brands. Okay, so let's look at the trades that I plan on doing for next week. Before we go into that though, I'll show my account. So all of the options are now basically cleared off that expired, leaving only these two remaining options for the Ford and NNDM. So I will be writing a call option on the Square stock that I have of 100 shares, so one contract. And I will be writing options on the 2,000 shares that I have available for writing contracts on Ford. And in addition to that, my Tesla 4 contracts expired worthless, so I'll be rewriting contracts for that as well. Okay, so let's look at those. Okay, so year to date, here's my realized gain, 27,500. Unrealized gain is 100 plus K. And if we just look at the month of December from the 1st to the 12th, it is $862. But that is not including all of the options that expired on this Friday. The realized gain won't be updated till probably Monday or Tuesday to reflect that change. So this is really just the first weeks of options that expired. And the one NEO position that I closed on Friday, it does take that into account as well. And then here's the transactions for the week that I did on the trading, and the premiums that I did collect from that as well, and then the stock purchases in addition. So here are the planned option trades that I'm going to do for next week. So I'll write another call option. I'm increasing this to $220. So I had wrote that contract originally for $217.50 and collected a premium of $257. So now I'm going to increase that strike price, and then I should be able to get $490 for that. Additionally, I'm going to write a sell put contract as well and putting a strike price of $215, and that should give me a premium of around $550 or $550 per share. For my strategy for the call options, I'm going to write one that will expire next week at a 900 strike price, and I should get $1.03 for that. And then I'm going to use the other three contracts that I would have available to write them on December 31st. And I'll write two at $950 and should collect a premium of roughly $460. And that's basically assuming that stock price would stay flat on Monday when I rewrite them. And then one contract at 900 strike price that will also expire on December 31st for $680. And then lastly, the 20 contracts of Ford, I'm going to set that at $850. And I should collect a premium of 7 cents per share. With 2,000 shares or 20 contracts, I should receive a $140 premium for that. And so that would give me $2,883 in premiums that I'm receiving by writing all of these option contracts. And that will basically directly increase my realized gain for the month of December. Though the ones that expire on December 31st, they will actually be assigned at a later date, which kind of goes to my strategy going forward if it does hit the strike price. So here you see the dates for the ones that did expire for last Friday, but the date is on the 14th, on the Monday. If those do expire in the money on the Tesla side, then my plan is to write a sell put order and then collect a premium on that in the event that it does go down. I will then be able to purchase the stock back through a sell put. In addition to that, I will collect a premium as well for that activity. Whether it's in the money or not, I will be able to keep this premium. So if it does go to 900 and the stock is assigned, then I'll immediately turn around and write a put option at 900 and then collect the premium. And if it does go below the 900, then that stock would be assigned to me. And if it stays above 900, I won't get the stock, but then I'll keep rewriting sell puts until eventually I do get that stock back. And I think with these premiums, it's not going to continually keep going up to match the premiums that I would get every week for collecting these sell puts. But we will see. So that's my strategy going forward for the rest of this month for the Tesla shares and the Tesla option contracts. So that's all I have for today. Thanks.